Who's that? Who's that? Oh, that's Amadi. Hi there. How you doing? You don't want your food? Hi, let's look at that face. You got some teeth on you. Yes. Oh, look at that. The trio. They are determined. Ow! Amadi. That's the yellow girl. That's the red girl without a collar. Then you have the purple girl in the middle, and the pink girl by the leg of the mother. That's the purple girl. That's Amadi. I'm sure his face is gonna be all dirty. Oh, look at that. Top of his head already a mess. Alright, so these are the two boys. Left and right. That's Amadi. And that's... oh, wait a minute. Yeah, that's Amadi in the blue collar. And that's Adonis. The others are still trying to get some milk. Oh, here comes another one. Hey. Hi. Hey there. I gotta come up with a name for you. Well, the other two haven't given up. That's the yellow collar. No, yeah, that's the yellow collar. And the pink now. The yellow one's a bit lighter in color. That's the purple girl. And that's the red girl without the collar. They're still at it. Poor Gucci. Don't you want some breakfast over here? And leave your mother alone? And she looks like she's been through the ringer. Oh, she's still eating. Oh, who's this? Hi there. No, Gucci.